Jake Wagner, the youngest son charged in the Rhoden and Gilley murders, appears in a Pike County courtroom. We found out today it could be some time before his trial starts as his attorneys and prosecutors reach an agreement about who can talk to him in jail. Anjanette Levy has details.
For the first time, Jake Wagner walked into court without handcuffs or his legs shackled. He's wearing a shock vest under his clothes. It's similar to this one manufactured by Nova. It's remote activated, and if Wagner or his family members did anything out of line, deputies could send 50,000 volts of electricity into his body. Today, Wagner answered typical questions from Judge Deering.
Are you seeing your attorneys regularly in this matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Prosecutors have said the young daughter Jake Wagner had with Hannah Rhoden was part of the motive in the murder of the Rhodens. Wagner filed for sole custody of the little girl 6 days after the murders.
The right of speedy trial is guaranteed to you by the Constitution of Ohio and the Constitution of the United States.
With the massive amount of discovery in the case, Wagner again waived his right to a speedy trial.
And have you had an opportunity to discuss with your attorneys your right of speedy trial?
Yes, they've informed me of all the statistics and I'm aware of it all.
All right. And is it your desire then today to waive your right of speedy trial until January 31 of 2020 as stated on the paper there?
I do, Your Honor.
Jake Wagner's attorneys had wanted a strict order from the judge that would prohibit jail staff and other inmates from discussing his case with him. Today, his attorneys and prosecutors reached an agreement about that. So if Jake Wagner decides to discuss himself or his case with anybody at the jail, those statements could be used against him at his trial. In Waverly, Anjanette Levy, Local 12 News.
Wagner will be back in court in May. He's being held at the Franklin County Jail.